is Celine, and today we are going to explore why we like music. To understand why we enjoy music so much, we have to look at how our brain processes music. When we listen to music, many different parts of our brain are stimulated at once. Areas in our temporal lobes at either side of our head are stimulated when we listen to music, and these areas are responsible for processing what we hear, including how we interpret language and sounds in music. For example, there are networks of nerve cells here that enable us to perceive pitch, so that we can recognise and enjoy melodies, chords and harmonies. The amygdala and hippocampus are involved in processing emotions and in learning and memory, and these areas are also stimulated by music. The frontal lobe is also activated and helps us to analyse the emotional content of music. Listening to music can trigger a very strong emotional response, and this in turn can have a physical effect on us. Researchers have observed consistent changes in people's heart rates, blood pressure and breathing rates in response to listening to different pieces of music. Listening to music that we enjoy triggers the reward centres in our brain, releasing a chemical called dopamine, which is one of the chemicals produced by our brain that causes feelings of happiness. Everybody has a preferred genre of music, and this is true down to a chemical level. When someone listens to a song they enjoy, we know that it is stimulating the release of dopamine in their brain. When they listen to a song they don't enjoy, their brain isn't releasing dopamine in the same way. A person's musical taste has a lot to do with their culture and background. However, the composition of a song also plays a role in making that song enjoyable. It has been found that people tend to prefer songs that combine predictable and unpredictable chord progressions, key and tempo changes and rhythms. Researchers in Germany have claimed that the most scientifically perfect pop song is the Beatles' Obla Di Obla Da, due to its perfect mix of predictable and unpredictable sections. The next time you're listening to music, have a listen to this song and see if you agree. Music also has a lot of health benefits. It can help to reduce pain, stress and anxieties. Music can do this as it helps the body to relax, releases those feel-good chemicals, and most importantly, acts as a distraction. Using music as a distraction technique is particularly effective in reducing pain. So let's put this to the test. Here we have Rory, who is going to see how long he can hold his hand in an ice bath for. He will do this twice, the first time in silence and the second time while listening to music through his headphones. Which one do you think will help Rory hold his hand in the longest?
Okay, this does hurt now. It actually does. It does hurt.
So we can see from the results that the music really did help Rory, as it distracted him from the pain and the cold that he was feeling. Now this is something that you can actually try at home with adult supervision. The use of music can also be used to improve mindfulness. Mindfulness is about being aware and understanding our thoughts and feelings in the moment, reconnecting with our body by experiencing our senses, and appreciating our current surroundings. According to neuroscience research, mindfulness practices dampens the activity in the amygdala, the part of our brain which plays a role in emotions, and increases the connection between the amygdala and the prefrontal cortex, which controls personality expressions and behaviours. This increase in connection between these parts of our brain allows us to be less reactive in difficult situations and to recover better from stress when we do experience it. If we take time to listen to a song without any other distractions, we can fully experience and immerse ourselves within that song. We can begin to notice our emotions, our moods and thoughts that are triggered by different parts of the music and understand why they were triggered. It is very rewarding to be able to embrace, understand and control our emotions and behaviours. And practicing mindfulness through the art of music is something that can be very beneficial to our health and well-being. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.